Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete a slide from PowerPoint presentation. So if you also want to delete a slide from PowerPoint presentation, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Microsoft PowerPoint. You can see over here, I've already opened it. After that, what you have to do is simply open the PowerPoint file in which you want to delete the slide. You can see over here, I've already opened it. So for example, if you want to delete the slide number 2, all you have to do is click on that slide that you can see at the left. Now what you have to do is press delete key on your keyboard. Now you can see over here that slide has been deleted. So like this, you'll be able to delete a slide from PowerPoint presentation. So that is how you delete a slide from PowerPoint presentation. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.